Hi, in this video we are going to see how to enhance our garden soil by using the cow manure. This video covers these three sections. First one is collecting the cow manure and then bringing it into the garden. Then second one is applying the cow manure in the garden. Then third one is benefits and things to be cautious when using the cow manure. I'm in a farm that sells live meat. It's 30 minutes drive from my home, and they have cow, goat, lamb, chicken and other animals for meat purpose. These animals waste are kept in a place and we can take it for free. See, here they have dumped the cow dung, and here they have put the chicken's waste. Like this they store each animal's waste separately, and I am interested in taking the cow manure for my garden plants. They do provide a shovel that can be used to dig the cow manure. Mostly this place will be dry and easy to walk, but since now it has rained, it's little wet here. In this pile we have to check where the manure is old, because we need to take the old manure by looking at the color, right? If the color is not bright color, then it is mostly the old one, so I'm taking it here. These cow manure are at least 6 months old and it can be directly used for plants. Since this is old manure, there is not much smell in it. I'm going to carry these cow manure in the bag. These bags are available here for free. These bags are from the chicken feed that they bought, so these bags can be taken from here. Since it rained, the manure is wet, but it's difficult to carry if I fill the whole bag, so I'm just filling half the bag. Once we fill the cow manure into these bags, it will be easy for us to carry it to the vehicle. I'm using this cow manure for all my garden plants, so I'm going to fill as many bags that I can take this time, and then finally I load this into the car. There is no limit in taking this cow manure. We can take as much as we can carry. When applying this cow manure into the garden, it increases the earthworm in the soil, and there are many other benefits which we'll see towards the end of this video. The cow manure is wet, so it can leak through the bags. So before I load the bags into the car, I have covered the trunk space with the cardboard, and then I have added some polythene sheets, and then added little bit grasses on the dry grass in the top, so that it can absorb the water that may leak from the bags. I reached the community garden, and now these bags needs to be moved quickly to the garden. I have kept these bags in the garden between the plants so that I don't have to allocate separate space for these bags. Now I have unloaded the bags, and I see dirt water has leaked from the bags, so it's good to protect the car or vehicle before we load the bags. Now we will see how to apply this cow manure to the garden plants. Here I am doing the initial soil preparation for planting Malabar spinach. So here I am adding the cow manure and mixing it well with the soil. If we add the cow manure before sowing the seeds, that will really help the saplings to spread its roots deeper into the soil. And also this manure will hold the water well, so that the plants will get more energy from the soil. Then here I am doing the soil preparation for planting cucumber. So here also I am adding the cow manure. Like this, wherever the initial soil preparation is done, we can add the cow manure before we sow the seeds. The amount of cow manure and the way we use the cow manure will differ from one plant to another, and also it depends on the amount of space that we are going to use the cow manure. Here I have dig the holes to plant tomato saplings. Here also I am adding the cow manure. We can add this cow manure for well-grown plants too. For this bottle gourd plant, I am adding this at a little distance, because we should not be putting it closer to the roots, because it can damage the plants. Cow manure is not only for plants that we grow in the ground, we can also use it for plants that we grow in the containers. I have used the cow manure for all my container plants, and I have posted a lot of videos about it. Please check if you are interested. Now we will see the benefits and the issues that the cow manure can cause. There are plenty of benefits in using the cow manure. It provides nitrogen, and also it releases the nitrogen very slowly, so it won't damage most of the plants. Soil will be fertile when using the cow manure, because when we add the cow manure, earthworms and microorganisms will grow in the soil, and that will keep the soil little softer, and that will help the plant roots to go well into the soil. Also it holds the water and it retains the moisture well. Now we will see the issues with the cow manure. Fresh cow manure should not be directly used for the plants. It has to be at least 6 months old. If we use the fresh cow manure directly, it can damage the plants. Cow manure is good for plants, but that doesn't mean that we can use it without any limits. If we use too much cow manure for the plants, it can kill it. When taking the cow manure, we need to make sure it's clean, and there should not be any hay or straw like this, because if we take this cow manure and use it in our garden, then we'll be in great trouble, because there will be a lot of weed that will grow from this manure, and we will be spending more time cleaning the weeds. Next important thing is we have to check if the cow is fed with the grass that was sprayed with any weed killer or other chemicals, because that will get through the cow manure, and it can impact the plants. Now we have come to the end of this video. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you.